Oops! Happy Tuesday! Everyone, mga boss. Gising na ba kayo, mga boss? Tara, papawis muna tayo saglit. 23 na ngayon. Pasko na sa susunod na araw. Christmas Day. Ititesting ko rin yung bagong speedometer cyclo. Ano tawag dito? May nagpadala kasi. May nag-sponsor ng bagong cyclo. Kaya ititesting natin kung okay lang siya. Morning, sir! Dumating kahapon. Sabi ko, uy, kanino to? Alam mo na kung sino ka. Nagpadala. Salamat. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. So, tara mga boss. Samahan niyo ako. Dito lang tayo. Dito lang din sa looban. Tahimik yung kalsada kasi wala nang pasok mga bata. So yun mga boss, kayo saan kayo mag-celebrate ng Pasko nyo? Yung mga magra-ride pa rin. Sa bagay, okay lang naman yun. Meet and greet ka nga yung mga riders. Sana nandyan si Sir Randy ngayon. Sana lumabas siya. Kahapon wala siya. Tahimik na tahimik mga boss. Madalang yung mga sasakyan.
We've got
May mga nag-walking dito ngayon. Sabagay, walang pasok eh. Kaya nag-walking ang mga yan. Morning. Pangbawi sa makakain ngayong Pasko. Paano yung tambutso? Binalot ng rubber. Eh, uminit. Naglakad nga pabalik.
Hands held high, together we stand. We're stronger than we've ever planned. The world's been cold, but we're on fire. Rising up, taking us higher. We won't break, we won't fall. We'll keep going through it all. Together we rise, we're breaking the chain. Through every struggle, we'll feel no pain. We've got each other, we'll never be the same. Together we rise, we'll make our name. The road was tough, but we kept the pace. With every step, we've won the race. Through the darkness, we found the light. We'll keep shining, we'll keep the fight. The world's been cold, but we're on fire. Rising up, taking us higher. We won't break, we won't fall. We'll keep going through it all. Together we rise, we're breaking the chain. Through every struggle, we'll feel no pain. We've got each other, we'll never be the same. Together we rise, we'll make our name. When the world falls apart, we stay strong. We're unstoppable.
Ito yung mga tropa.
We belong.
Ito yung mga tropa, mga boss.
It's here. We've learned to fly.
Kita-kita rin kami.
Together we rise. We'll touch
Late na kasi sila lumabas.
Together we rise. We're breaking the chain. Through every struggle, we'll feel no pain. We got each other. We'll never
Ayun mga boss. Pauwi na kami pero yung apat
make our name.
kakalas. Diyan pupunta kasi ng bike shop. Magpapapalit ng Shimano bearing kasi wala dun sa kabilang bike shop. Sige sir, ingat, ingat! Kaya kakaliwa sila dyan. Kami ni Sir Randy, diretso na kami. Oops, tapos na yung papawis natin mga boss.
We've been through the storm, now we're here.
Ingat kayo palagi. Enjoy nyo yung Christmas sa mga pamilya. Dito na lang muna.
Together we stand.
And I'll see you in the next one.
The world's been cold.
Bye!